Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best makeup set is probably one of the most exciting and versatile additions to any beauty enthusiast's collection, offering a curated selection of products designed to create a multitude of looks, from everyday elegance to glamorous evening transformations. Imagine unboxing a treasure trove of colors, textures, and tools, all harmoniously chosen to complement each other, making your makeup routine not just easier but also more inspiring and fun. This isn't just about acquiring new products, it's about unlocking your creative potential and discovering new ways to express yourself through the art of makeup, all conveniently packaged for your convenience and enjoyment. Number 5. EcoTools Start the Day Beautifully Makeup Brush Set. Achieve a flawless look every morning with this essential makeup brush set. It includes everything you need for perfect application. From eyeshadow to foundation, these brushes are designed for seamless blending and precise application. Get the perfect finish for any look. Feel good about your beauty routine. These brushes are made with eco-friendly materials, making them a sustainable choice. Embrace beauty without compromise. Our brushes are 100% vegan and cruelty-free, so you can look good and feel good. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set is beautifully packaged and makes the perfect present for any makeup enthusiast. Experience the soft touch of high-quality synthetic bristles. They are designed for optimal product pickup and smooth application. What we like? This set is perfect for beginners and eco-conscious individuals. If you're looking for a sustainable and ethical start to your makeup routine, this is the one for you. Its essential brushes cover all your basic needs. What people say? The brushes are soft and apply makeup smoothly. The packaging is very cute and makes a great gift. The eyeshadow palette has a good color payoff and blends well. Number 4. Best Choice Products Freestanding Jewelry Armoire. Never worry about clutter again. This armoire offers abundant space for all your jewelry and makeup needs, with dedicated spots for necklaces, rings, earrings, and more. Find your perfect angle with ease. The adjustable mirror allows you to set it to 3 different positions for the best view of your entire outfit. Keep your precious items safe and sound. The built-in lock ensures your jewelry is protected and organized, away from little hands. Crafted for durability and elegance. Its sturdy engineered wood construction is complemented by a soft velvet lining, providing a luxurious home for your treasures. Enhance your space with its elegant design. This piece adds a touch of sophistication to any room and is available in various colors to match your decor. What we like? This is not a makeup set, but a makeup and jewelry organizer. If you have a large collection of accessories and want everything neatly organized with a full-length mirror for your outfits, this is an excellent choice. It keeps your precious items secure and accessible. What people say? The makeup set includes a wide variety of eyeshadow shades, from neutral to vibrant colors, allowing for versatile looks. The packaging is sleek and compact, making it convenient for travel and touch-ups on the go. The formula of the eyeshadows is highly pigmented and blends smoothly, providing excellent color payoff and a seamless finish. Number 3. MAANGE 49 PCS Makeup Brush Set, Pink. Discover the ultimate makeup tool set designed to elevate your beauty routine. This comprehensive collection empowers you to create any look you desire. With 49 meticulously crafted brushes, you'll have the perfect tool for every step of your makeup application. From flawless foundation to intricate eye details, achieve professional results effortlessly. Experience the luxurious feel of our premium synthetic bristles. They are incredibly soft, durable, and designed to pick up and distribute product beautifully for a seamless finish. This set includes everything you need for foundation, powder, concealer, eyeshadow, and blush. Achieve a polished and professional look with ease, no matter your skill level. Add a touch of elegance to your vanity with this stunning pink makeup brush set. It's as beautiful to look at as it is functional to use. Transform your makeup application with this all-in-one set. It's the perfect investment for makeup enthusiasts and aspiring artists alike. What we like? For the makeup enthusiast who wants it all, this extensive set is ideal. If you enjoy experimenting with different looks and need a wide variety of brushes for every application, this is your go-to. The sheer quantity ensures you'll never be without the right tool. What people say? The makeup set includes a wide variety of shades and products, offering great versatility for different looks. The packaging is elegant and sturdy, making it a perfect gift option. Each product within the set is formulated with high-quality ingredients, ensuring smooth application and long-lasting wear. Number 2. FantasyDay All-in-One Makeup Kit. Discover the FantasyDay All-in-One Makeup Kit, your ultimate beauty companion. This comprehensive set has everything you need to create stunning looks for any occasion. Unbox a world of beauty with this essential bundle. It includes a versatile eyeshadow palette, vibrant lipsticks, blush, concealer, eyeliner, and mascara. Achieve a perfect finish with the included foundation brush and eyebrow pencil. These tools ensure smooth application and precise definition for a professional result. Looking for a special gift? This makeup set is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Surprise the makeup enthusiast in your life. From subtle daytime elegance to bold evening glamour, this kit empowers you to express your unique style. Explore endless creative possibilities with this all-inclusive collection. Elevate your makeup routine with the FantasyDay All-in-One Makeup Kit. It's the essential bundle designed to make you look and feel your best, every single day. What we like? This comprehensive kit is designed for those who want a complete makeup solution in one package. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one option, especially as a gift, this bundle covers all the bases. It's perfect for travel or for someone who prefers simplicity. What people say. This makeup set is perfect for beginners. It includes everything you need to get started with makeup. The eyeshadow palette has a great range of colors, and the pigment is really good. I love the brush set that comes with this package. The brushes are soft and apply makeup smoothly. Number 1. Joyeee All-in-One Makeup Gift Set. Number 8. Discover the ultimate all-in-one makeup kit designed for every woman. This comprehensive set has everything you need to create stunning looks on the go. From flawless foundation to vibrant lip gloss and eyeshadow, this kit has it all. It even includes a stylish makeup bag to keep your essentials organized. Achieve a perfect complexion with the included concealer, blush, and face powder. Effortlessly transition from day to night with versatile cosmetic options. Explore endless creative possibilities with the detailed eyeshadow and cosmetic palettes. Express yourself and experiment with a wide range of colors and finishes. Surprise the makeup enthusiast in your life with this luxurious and complete collection. It's the ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Experience the convenience and quality of Joyeee. This kit is your essential companion for achieving professional-looking makeup anytime, anywhere. What we like? This option is fantastic for anyone who values portability and convenience. If you need a complete makeup collection that comes with its own stylish bag for easy transport, this set is a winner. It's ideal for on-the-go touch-ups or for those who like to keep their essentials together. What people say. The makeup brushes are incredibly soft and blend foundation seamlessly. The eyeshadow palette features highly pigmented shades that are easy to build and blend. The packaging is sleek and travel-friendly, making it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.